KNH baby theft suspect Edinah Kemunto has been presented in court today, with police allowed to hold her for 5 more days as they complete the investigations into the kidnap saga. We are now joined live by NTV's Seth Olale from the Milimani Law Courts. Seth, what is happening as we speak?
Thank you so much, Gladys. According to Principal Magistrate Kennedy Cheruiyot, who ruled on this particular case, said that the main suspect, who you just mentioned, Edinah Kemunto, to be brought back here at the Milimani Law Courts on the 26th of February, that is this month, and that is next week as well. And this is after the applicant, which was filed by Emmanuel Kipto, who is also a corporal attached to the DCI headquarters under the Child Protection Unit, and he applied and requested the court to grant the investigators 5 more days. This is because or concerning the nature of the investigations. The prosecution also said that the nature of this particular case involved a wider syndicate. This is according to the preliminary investigations conducted so far, and so more other persons are going to be arrested and detained for questioning by the police. Also interesting is that the prosecution mentioned that they intend to travel to Kisii County, the home county of the main suspect, Edinah Cheruiyot, as well as Bungoma County, where Cheruiyot is understood to have been married. And so they're saying that this might be a wider syndicate involving more persons, and that Cheruiyot was not acting alone. So those are some of the highlights we have here from the Milimani Law Courts, and a visibly shaken Edinah Cheruiyot pleaded that she did not understand English, and so the court had to look for a translator to translate in Swahili. But of course, Edinah Cheruiyot pleaded and also told the judge, the principal magistrate Kennedy Cheruiyot, that she didn't have any bad intention, and she had actually planned to return the child to the parents. But this is obviously a case that will be following up. But like as you mentioned, 5 more days before Cheruiyot, or rather 5 more days before the main suspect, Edinah Kemunto, is brought back here at the Milimani Law Courts. Gladys.
Thank you, Seth Olale, speaking to us from the Milimani Law Courts, where Edinah Kemunto, the suspect in the stealing of a twin baby from Kenyatta National Hospital, was arraigned, and the prosecution asked for 5 more days, or rather to hold her for 5 more days in order to finish investigations, and the judge actually granted this, and she will be presented back in court on the 26th of February.